हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बहुत दिन हो गए मैंने व्लॉग नहीं अपलोड किया, तो आज मैं बहुत दिनों के बाद व्लॉग अपलोड कर रही हूँ। तो प्राय मेहरबानी मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। आज सुल्तान के बाल बहुत बड़े हो गए थे और हमने सोचा कि हर किसी को सुल्तान के बाल बड़े बड़े पसंद आ रहे थे, लेकिन फाइनली हमें काटना पड़ा इसके बालों को। और मैंने बार्बर को कॉल किया और वो घर पे आया और सुल्तान पहली बार आज बड़ा डिसेंट तरीके से अपने बाल कटवा रहा है। तो देखिए।
And then we'll take a nice bassy afterwards. Baby can take a bassy with his toys.
Yes!
Good baby. Such a good baby. Yeah.
No.
This is his first major haircut. Yeah, he got a big hair. Ooh. Look at that hair of that baby. Oh, yo. Thank you, baby. Oh. Oh, thank you, baby. Oh. He's doing a good job of a baby. Oh, my goodness. Oh, he's starting to look pretty.
Do you like haircut?
He's looking so pretty.
Look.
Yes. Oh. He's looking so pretty. You like your haircut? See, he's not hurting you. We will take a bassy later. Where's the little brush that brushes hair off?
Okay.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
give me.
Give me. Oh my goodness. All his hair.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell him to make it short, mommy. Mommy, tell him to make it short.
छोटे करने बाल
छोटे करने बाल। अच्छा,
Make a nice, beautiful baby.
मशीन पीछे फेर देना। हाँ, इतना।
Daddy.
Yes, look at all that hair. Look at all that baby hair down there. Who is this? Is he a little green rabbit? Is he Green Rabbit? Is that a green rabbit? Oh my goodness, what is that green rabbit doing? And he's got a shopping cart. He's at the store, he's getting chips.
This is also good haircut.
Look, there's a bassy. He's in the bassy. Look at the ice. Ice on the floor. He's got ice on the floor. Look at the ice. Look at the ice he's got. Oh, he fell down. He fell down. Oh, there's the bassy. There's his bassy. Just like baby Sultan is a bassy.
मेरे को मैंने इसके बाल कैसे कर लिए? Oh no way.
You need water? He's a pretty baby. It's a pretty baby. Can I see?
Thank you. You're welcome, baby.
Don't touch here. This will hurt the baby. This can hurt the baby. Don't touch there. No. You did such a good job.
एंड पे सुल्तान ने जब आईने में अपने बाल देखे तो इसको अपने बाल छोटे अच्छे नहीं लग रहे थे, तो ये कह रहा था मेरे बाल वापस मुझे लगाओ, लेकिन ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता था। तो उसके डैडी उसको छेड़ रहे हैं और सुल्तान को थोड़ा चिड़चिड़ा रहे हैं। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें दोस्तों।